What is going on YouTube? Hitting back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Did you guys see the article that was posted not too long ago? JP Morgan, if Ripple wins the SEC lawsuit, XRP is posed for significant adoption. This is a really big article and I would like to go over it with you later on in today's video. Otherwise, we're going to continue where we left off yesterday, basically saying that for XRP, we need to fill in this gap here, this little gap right in this level here on our falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern, basically to break out to target at point D here, seeing what could be a pretty significant run. I believe it's about a 45% run from the upside. From here to up here, it's about, yeah, almost to the dot, 46% to the upside here. So that's really what we're waiting for right now. It's just confirmation above our downtrend right here to allow us to buy in and leverage to the upside. This also carries suit with the other cryptos like Ethereum as well as Bitcoin, which is a little shaky and I'm getting a little nervous here. S&P 500 had a small down day correction, which was totally fine. Honestly, I'm not worried in the slightest, as I do still strongly believe we are headed to the upside, a continuous pattern back to becoming overbought, which should be breaking all-time highs very, very soon. So I am excited for that, to see how that affects the portfolios. Otherwise, guys, today's video is brought to us by Rewards Bunny. Very cool platform right here. Crypto or USD cashback every time you shop online. It is really cool. You can see right here, you log in and browse offers, shop at your favorite stores, and get cashback automatically. And then you're obviously allowed to withdraw your cash. So it's very cool. They have different payment methods and stuff like that to actually purchase on some partnered websites that they do have that most of you should recognize, like AliExpress, Alibaba, eBay, Walmart. They have other ones too, ASOS, all these ones that we have used, or I have used specifically in the past year. So to actually be able to earn a percentage back is really cool, especially in cryptocurrency. So more information about Rewards Bunny will be at the end of today's video, so stay tuned for that. I have linked them down in the description below if you'd like to check them out earlier. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, I'm hoping some of you actually saw yesterday's video. This took quite some time to make, and I'd like to continue to make videos like this, or at least in this similar style here. Very soon, I do plan on moving to Florida, and I will have a new setup completely, maybe getting rid of this dark setup and making it more vibrant and light to match the environment around me in Florida here, but also just to reiterate and change up the way these video styles are going to be made to. Not only will we continue to have, daily, if not multiple daily technical analysis videos being posted through the week, but I would also like to start creating and uploading some more interesting videos in regards to different opportunities to make money, as well as news updates in regards to what exactly is going on here in the market. So this is a really cool video though. Like, I feel like a lot of people need to understand that there are other ways besides leverage trading cryptocurrency to make money, and actually being able to mine crypto with certain devices is really freaking cool. So check this video out if you haven't already. It's literally what I posted yesterday, so stay tuned for that. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the quality and the format of it, how you'd like me to change it, tweak it, or if you just like it how it is. I'd really appreciate it. But to jump into today's video, we do have to look at this article here, and you can see that was clearly quoted: if the company is able to win the SEC lawsuit and trading resumes on major crypto exchanges like Coinbase, XRP is posed for significant adoption. And I strongly agree. If XRP legitimately wins the lawsuit, that's going to be huge for XRP specifically to be listed, relisted on exchanges like Binance, which I believe doesn't have it, or at least Coinbase specifically. A lot of people will be buying back into XRP, making it a lot more accessible to trade around with. So I'm very excited to see, obviously, how this lawsuit goes here, but it seems like JP Morgan and a lot of other people also believe very strongly that XRP is going to be winning this case here. It's just a matter of time and a waiting game, as most things are. But he published earlier this month that puts XRP in the spotlight, even stating that the digital asset is posed for significant adoption. While the price of XRP has fallen in recent days, along with the rest of cryptocurrency market, Ripple Labs has been working nonstop on signing new partners for its RippleNet network and on-demand liquidity service, thus spreading the use of XRP. So all these things here. It says that JP Morgan report stated that XRP was engineered to facilitate transactions on Ripple's blockchain-based digital payment network. Benefits to networks include expedited payments and reduced transaction fees. Obviously, this is trying to replace what's most commonly known as SWIFT transfers, which are absolutely garbage, and I hate them because they take long and they charge charge you a stupid fee, which I also don't like, and it's bank to bank, and it can easily be, terminated depending on, the types of banks that you transfer to, or if they don't like it. And you can see they're costly, take up to 5 days to complete, but with using Ripple's XRP, it can be completed in as little as 3 to 5 seconds, and transaction fees are 0.0001 XRP, which is awesome here. And transfers for Swift are more expensive due to numerous intermediary banks involved that charge fees to both the sender and the recipient, of course, as expected here. So very excited to see how obviously this plays out, how the lawsuit ends, which we should kind of know at this point where it is, but it's just a waiting game at this point here. But moving into the other cryptocurrencies, to check out XRP specifically here, once again, consolidation is still being played out. I'm starting to notice that this is a fairly accurate, decision as to where the breakout point is probably going to be, at least for us to consolidate inside of here. It ends right around December 15th to December 16th. That's pretty much the end of this falling wedge. Like the farthest this wedge goes down to is in this corner right here, which ends on the 16th of 15th of December here. So that's prime what we're waiting for right now. And notice how much this agrees with some of the other cryptos. We're looking at this falling wedge pattern on Ethereum. We can draw that same kind of nook right here, and you can see prices end right around December 15th to December 16th. So it's very similar in regards to how much longer this price has to trade sideways before it has to make a final decision. So XRP really has to decide very soon, after it consolidates down into here, where are we going to go to? Are we going to obviously be breaking below, or are we going to be breaking above? And I do believe volume is going to come and inject itself into XRP at that decision-making time here. Now, obviously, we all want it to be breaking bullish. I strongly believe that bullish is where these markets are headed to, especially with the way these have been playing out here. After major losses, you can see on the price when we went up from $1.62 all the way down, or when we dropped from $1.62 all the way down to 50 cents, a 3x reversal, or a third of the price here, we immediately dumped. We found support on this uptrend here and immediately reversed right back up to $1.30. So it's quite interesting to see how these runs move to. But now here we are once again retesting bottom support at point C here, a very strong support level for this coin. We were, recently oversold here, and we're looking to see a bullish cross on the MACD, which is also a great sign. You can see right here, and they're all showing significant signs of recovery. And I do strongly believe that we are fairly undervalued and should at least swing back up to retest $1.05, if not all the way back up to $1.13. Obviously, this is a problem zone here, and I believe that strong rejection will take place off $1.13, but that's where we're headed to. That's still a 46% run from the current price of 84 cents all the way up to $1.13, if not even lower. 80 cents, 79 cents, all the way up to $1.13. So I'm very excited for this run. I'm getting ready. Obviously, I'll be doing the trade on Bityard. Hopefully, you're familiar with that. Bityard is linked in the description right here. You can see XRP is right here, and you can actually leverage this crypto, which is what I plan on doing strongly once this falling wedge pattern finally comes to an end. And you can see the falling wedge clearly drawn right here on our Bityard chart. You can clearly see the downtrend, the problem zone, and you can clearly see the uptrend here. So it's very obvious. It's very clear. Like, this is a clear falling wedge pattern here where we are continuously making lower highs in some sort of stair-stepping pattern, rejection off top resistance, support right here on the uptrend. Well, it's a downtrend here, but this is acting as a support, sending us lower and lower and lower. Falling wedges tend to break bullish, so I am looking for a bullish recovery off of XRP, and I will be able to leverage this on Bityard. You can also get free crypto on Bityard if you actually click mystery box right here, so definitely make sure to sign up in the link down below to claim your sign up bonus. Otherwise, jumping back to XRP, that's really it. It's a consolidation game. It doesn't make sense to be trading now. Look at that. If you had bought in earlier before it closed, we would have reversed all the way back down as expected. So what we're waiting for is confirmation on the daily, 100%, for us to actually want to buy back in to leverage to the upside here. And this continues in all the cryptos. The only one that's kind of concerning is Bitcoin, which we'll talk about in a minute. But Ethereum too, very similar. Yes, we have peaked above our resistance here, which is fine. I agree. It's totally whatever. It's not, the biggest worry here. But I do strongly believe that at some point we're going to come up, retest the tops here, and then break. We need to make that decision right here, which once again, I strongly believe is bullish based off of Ethereum's. Not only do we have a daily moving average here, which is right up to this uptrend here, prices should hopefully, correct off of this and then see a rejection or a reversal and correct us back to the upside here. That's what I'm looking for. Ethereum to all-time highs. That's my anticipation. Easily by end of December into January, we should be at all-time highs. So I'm excited for that. And these falling wedge patterns tend to break bullish, so I'm also expecting to see the same thing happen here as we had a massive recovery, and now we're continuing to play out. So it's a waiting game, guys. We have a couple days left, but just be patient. The only concerning one is Bitcoin. Clearly, you can see why that is as we are breaking below support here. You know, I'm going to try to find reasons to why it isn't. I know it's unfortunate, but I'm going to start scouring the market right now for reasons why maybe it wasn't broken. I mean, you can draw it like this. That's a possibility. It's not that accurate, though. That's why I don't like it. Like leaving it here, you know, starting it at this bottom support, then, you know, tinker-tottering it or moving it up here, it doesn't necessarily work that well. Yeah, we are still kind of in a very small zone of support. You can kind of see if I draw this line here where horizontal support has been, and we kind of are in that same thing here. I'm going to delete it though, but you can kind of see what it is that I'm referring to. You can see here the purple band I just drew shows signs of support, here. Bottom retest, support here, resistances in the past, supports again, resistances in the past, support, and now we're currently acting as a support. So we're floating in a zone where prices are, you know, being withheld, which is totally fine. And I think we're going to continue to stay above this. But you can see we don't even look that bad on Bitcoin too. Like even if we were to see a break here, check it out. Like we're still in this beautiful uptrend. Beautiful red uptrend, clear as day right here, that if we did, and we have corrected to retest it, but if we did correct even lower, we would be extremely oversold and prices should see a pretty significant bounce off of that. But regardless, after this consolidation happens, we're retesting oversold currently. So I do believe at some point or another this is going to break. This ends right about, you can see December 15th here, which is what we're waiting for, very similar with Ethereum and XRP. And then we'll get the deciding factor. Where are we going to be moving to? How quickly are we going to jump? That's what we're expecting. So it's a waiting game now. S&P 500, maybe another day of correction, or we'll start to reverse back up. But I do believe very much so that we are going to be continuing to head even higher very soon. So I'm excited for that. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk more about Rewards Bunny with you. All right, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Rewards Bunny for sponsoring today's episode. As with all crypto projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, Rewards Bunny is a platform running on the BSC blockchain that gives cashback rewards to your online purchases. And the platform has some pretty crazy partnerships with global brands such as Sephora, AliExpress, Amazon, and even Nike. And you can even save certain percentages on purchases made with this platform. In fact, when the roadmap of the project is examined, it will be possible to pay with RBunny coin or even RBunny's Visa card for shopping in the future. And since there are close to 500 plus e-stores on the Rewards Bunny platform and new ones continuing to be added every day, all you have to do is to be directed to the store where you will shop from the Rewards Bunny platform, and then a portion of the money will be transferred directly to your account for purchases you make with the referral. And the cashback rate of each store is different, and your purchases are usually confirmed within 72 hours. And when you reach a refund of $10 or more, you can request the payment in RBunny token or USD. And Rewards Bunny also shares most of its commissions from online purchases with its members, so both the shopping store and the Rewards Bunny platform will be able to give you some profit. And the platform will also add a $5 sign-up bonus when you earn $25 confirmed cashback on the platform. Now, Rewards Bunny is not only a cashback platform, but also a swap platform, which is also really cool. Now guys, the tokenomics are as follows. A 5% fee is charged for each RBunny purchase and sale and redistributed to Rewards Bunny holders. Thus, those who keep RBunny in their wallet will be rewarded automatically and continuously. 3% of each transaction is converted to liquidity on PancakeSwap, and this is done automatically to ensure a stable price. And 8% of RBunny trades are also sent to the marketing wallet to be added to the marketing strategy budget, and this budget will be used to bring the project to larger audiences. And then lastly, 1% of the budget is the share of the developer team. Now guys, their total token supply is also 1 billion, and now the Rewards Bunny developer team brings to life the objectives in the roadmap one by one. Now the token, which was pre-sold at launch on DX Sale and PancakeSwap, has an active account on every social media platform. In addition, a CertiK audit was also carried out, and also CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings have also been made. Now guys, in the January through April of 2022 section of the roadmap, it is stated that the project will launch the Rewards Bunny Visa card and create a product market. And in this process, the team will be expanding, and they will try to get listed on one or more of the major cryptocurrency exchanges. Now from May to December of 2022, a new NFT marketplace will be created and new partnership agreements will be made. And in the process, the game will also be developed and a hardware wallet will be released. All this information, like I said, is outlined in the roadmap in the Rewards Bunny's website. And with that being said, RBunny is based on BEP20 and is traded on Binance Smart Chain, and it can be purchased from DEXs on this blockchain. Now guys, you can trade RBunny by adding the contract address to your MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap. Otherwise guys, huge shout out to Rewards Bunny for sponsoring today's episode. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.